How to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily duplicate the slides in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint, open it up, then go to the slide that you want to duplicate, and then just right click on your mouse or your touchpad, and then you can see various options pop up. Just tap on duplicate slide, and there you go, the slide will be duplicated. Or you can also use the shortcut that is Control D. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.